to answer the questions through the spirit aspect of it, I would say there's also this perspective in which you have a experience, and that experience is ayahuasca, her essence. Let's start with ayahuasca, and then we can copy that explanation for all of the other ones. But you have ayahuasca, which is not a chemical and is not a vision or an entity. Ayahuasca is a form of existence or consciousness or reality. When you consume it through the lens of spirit, you get to interact with that raw energy, raw consciousness. However, that needs to have also, since it started here and it's split it in two through our lens, this is the lens of spirit. This is what we just talked about. But what's going on here? And these two things need to correlate. So what I started feeling throughout these years is that a spiritual representation of ayahuasca must have a physical representation in its chemistry. Our way of saying that is that the spirit is the chemistry and the chemistry is the spirit. When I look at a plant through the lens of science and I see a combination of alkaloids, I know that that is the way in which a spirit represents itself in the physical form. On the other side of seeing that is when I see all of these chemicals, I know that if I consume them, I'm going to experience a spirit.